Hi, this is John with WTI, and as I have to travel often with my laptop as I work from home or I work remotely, I need some protection for my tablet. So I was looking around for a good cover that will going to be padded, but it's not going to be too chunky. So this is where this Naukay travel bag for the laptops comes in handy. I have a 15-inch laptop, which is gaming, but at the same time, it's a little bit light. So it helps me a lot. So I like about this is the materials. This is padded as you cannot imagine, but it's not a bad quality padding. It's a memory foam that is gonna protect your computer from any cracks or any nicks from a hard fall. And at the same time, it fits perfectly in your bag, no problem. It would work perfectly, just like a charm. So if you're looking for a great padded bag that is going to help you a lot when it comes to traveling with your laptop, this one is really good. So this was John with WTI, and that's my point of view.